Today we're going to demo the Amazon Connect Contact Center integrated into Salesforce via the Salesforce CTI adapter. I'm currently logged into the Amazon Connect soft phone, as you can see down here on the bottom left. Behind that, you see the home screen for Amazon Connect within the service console. Placing a call. Behind the scenes, you see the contact object will screen pop. That is based off the phone number that you see there, the 440 number. You can pop any sort of record that you want, any sort of object that you want. I'm also just going to place both of these. I'm going to go on mute here, and I'm going to basically mock a fake phone call between myself here to give us some transcription data that will be used elsewhere in the demo. So you're going to hear silence here for a little bit. Just give us a moment. All right, we have that transcription data now. We'll show you that to you later. Moving on next, we're going to open up and create a new case in this specific workflow. Again, however you operate with Salesforce, we can customize this entire experience around your specifications. But for this specific demo, we're just creating a simple case here. What's really neat is the CTI adapter really behind the scenes is tracking which case that this agent is on. And this will be tagged to that contact record automatically so that we can post-call write data back to this specific case record. And this could be the same process for a task or other objects within Salesforce. Again, this specific demo is just centered around a case workflow. That case is now created. Pulling back up the Amazon Connect soft phone, I'm going to end the call, and right away it's going to populate the actual transcription and it's going to generate that summary. And again, the end goal here is taking that summary, writing it back to the Salesforce case, really minimizing the after call work of your agents so that they do not have to manually type up any notes. Closing out that contact. Gonna go offline here. And we'll jump into the Amazon Connect backend. I'm here in contact search. We'll refresh. Here's the call that we just placed. And just so you can see that this is a live demo, we're going into the attributes here, and you can see that is the case, or the Salesforce comment ID for that specific case record. In this specific use case, we're writing that to that specific case field. And behind the scenes, that post-contact summary, it's processing. There's some magic happening, but it just takes a couple minutes to all of this to populate. So we'll give it a few minutes here, and then we should be able to show you that post-contact summary generated from Amazon Connect is going to show up here in the internal comments field. And I'll continue to reiterate, anytime we do these Salesforce integrations, you define and tell us how you want things to work, where you want things to go. It's all extremely customizable. We really don't have limitations, so whatever you need it to do, we can make that happen. Give it a couple more refreshes here, and then we should be able to prove that it works. And there we have it. There's that same post-contact generative AI summary that we showed in the CCP in the backend for Amazon Connect, and now that has populated in Salesforce.